Most beginners fail at passive income because they start the wrong way. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to start correctly so you won't waste your time, effort, and your money. Well, first of all, I would love to welcome everyone to my channel, Passive Income Pathways. If this is your first time, consider hitting the subscribe button. Learn how to earn online the simple way. Now let's get started. Passive income is built, not found. Patience, learning, and consistency are key. Focus on one clear starting point based on your time, money, and skill. This is very, very important. Focus on experience first, not immediate income. Now, this is where most beginners fail to note. Control risk, time, and expectations. Daily actions, tracking progress, and adjusting methods are the foundation. These are key elements to note. Now you know the mindset on how to pick your entry and why starting small is crucial. But the secret to building a system that earns consistently is coming up in part 2, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. So subscribe to this channel and like this video, because in my next video I'll be revealing a detailed and real secret to building a system that earns consistently. Thank you all and stay tuned to this channel.